Hi, this is Bema Bawumia Akwaba had the latest hot news in Kwana Mede Bramo Anuti Sewunya subscriber ya necessary Babu Madiana watching and subscribe to the channel no Yobayan say over click the subscribe button now wabele notification we are video who preview be upload also what's up a few yana like video no my thumbs up no fee share my offer so now we be here now we also Ghana memoir afi yehwe ensema beto yeponso Samuel Okudzeto ablakwa omda MP for knockdown for the ensema beto ya yimina nim Smith Hotel ensem ene afanya japade a onkrankra ye private developers ewi aban sa ase awane ebubu biguni ade no eno Okudzeto di ensem be beto ya watch as a threat ni ade fa no so no enye asempepe bi kwa frustration omo ede ne kokot se de ya onya kwankra no ko parliament itime aye parliamentary work ni ade ene ne constituency Okudzeto Ablakwadi and simply brought to their fire. A state capture hotels near buying parks and gardens are mouthful a year what the Indian Atuga. Equity in Samaya, Samuel Okudzeto Ablakwa and the Tuga MP for Northton, Inti, then Samawadi Atuga fire by Sassi, by properties are Uncle Aviani in Samakos. Intino.
Inti ansana meka bibiano I do my due diligence, do my research, but Ababeya has become a strategy. Yeah. Say yeah follow cockot and you see Munim say omudi cockot so na in central force more you careful. Hey, asem no waka to enti na yenye careful enti content beba enti yen to minka enti that's clearly the strategy. Clearly the strategy. But I am hoping say one of these days no judges nankasa will see through this. Now omo dismissing all these cases because they keep losing, they keep awarding costs against them.
You were watching JC
now so they keep filing appeals. When would that stop? But meaning say Mr. Domolevo Noka say when you try to fight corruption will fight you back. Until we have to prepare for worse. And Ibikra advising me say I have to watch my security and all of that. Sometimes I get clear threats. Maybe my phones you see the threats. Naked threats. For example, I'll say Parks and Gardens land or say what talk Nidia. Why am I talking about it? Why issue threats? There or also say what talk Parks and Gardens land or cantonments. Or see a friend Reverend Ezekiel, owner of Danny Ike real estate developers. Or also watch your crata at the Aremeyaw. I'll give you a copy. Say warning me not to mention his name. I'll keep mentioning his name and I'll keep talking about it. Say and also
Reverend
Ezekiel.
Okay.
Danny Ike into Parks and Gardens assassin or cantonments. Or see an idea what talk. Meanwhile, may someone local government minister or bar parliament. Local government minister. Ebeka say per his records no. The Parks and Gardens lands is still for government.
So
because onim side pana or claiming. And you see there are people in this government lands commission for our moya kanana himself for the first time in our history. Mamin listi state capture kano. Mamin listi bimao. Himself for the first time in our country's history. Judges court. Judges court say omu bungalows 13 bungalows. Private developer B just showed up say ono wato enidia. We bubu bungalows ni nyina. 13 me wako documents ni na wa. 13 bungalows. 13 bungalows. These are the court documents. 27 February 2024. And judges no. Judges of the Superior Court. And what is
Supreme Court?
Yes. What is shocking is judges no. Omu secure injunction. Omu who say hey private developer way or be we are assassin. And omu call court Rashid to secure an injunction 28 November 2023. Will you believe say private developer no or defy omu? Or defy injunction, say go to hell with your injunction. And Obubu, 3 more. Number 7, 5th Secular Road, cantonments. Number 8, 18, 5th Secular Road, cantonments. Number 36, 5th Secular Road, cantonments. Yeah, Kassi say 13 bungalows. I can list judges now omo bungalows nimo. Justice L.G. Kobie, Justice Anthony Abada, Justice K.A. Oforiata.
Yeah. And see, number 7.
Yeah.
5th Circular Road, Cantonment, last occupied by Justice F.G. Kobe. Number 18, 5th Circular Road, Cantonment, last occupied by Justice Anthony Abada. Number 21, 5th Circular Road, Cantonment, last occupied by Justice K.A. Ofori Atta. Number 36, 5th Circular Road, Cantonment, last occupied by Ruben Batu's family. Honestly, a judge. And a number 3A, 5th Circular Road, Cantonment, last occupied by Justice Yaw Apel. Oh, yeah, Yaw Apel, yeah. Number 3E, 5th Circular Road, Cantonment, last occupied by Justice Seven Noke. I think I got it right. Number 3F, 5th Circular Road, Cantonment, last occupied by Justice Julius Ansa. And number 24, 4 Onyasia. I think I'm right. Roman Ridge, last occupied by Justice Akamba. Number 31, 4th Circular Road, Cantonment, last occupied by Justice P.K. Honorable, I think I'm right. Jaisayo.
Yeah.
Jaisayo. And GET 5 or number 28. Quartey, CRGL-numbers no to us Laboni, and no Laboni, last occupied by Dr. Naomi Apia, Judicial Service Clinic. And on number 4, Ridge Runabout. Runabout here where Ridge last occupied by Justice C.H. Honyanuga. Justice Honyanuga.
Opuni judge.
Interesting. Opuni judge. Yeah. You know.
Tony Bungalow.
Number 51, 7th Avenue Extension, East Ridge, last occupied by Justice Vida Akoto Baumfo. Wow. Number D, 20, CSQ Laboni, last occupied by Justice Lorinda Owusu.
Then
where would you know Supreme Court judges?
It is a say affecting will be a Omuka pigeon say it will reach everybody. That's what has happened. Judges, they even had an injunction. Inti Nipana or sad demolition. What fast as you know. Would you say we need top politicians here a back? Clearly, massive
to the extent of Supreme Court judge.
Hot news all time.
The 28th November, Omo Rashid and colleagues
come off from
with an injunction. Almost say they went ahead. It is a case. No, the case is life. Kosovo court. It is being handled by the judges to preserve Omubanga, at least what is left of the lands, because bungalows no there.
What demolish
pictures no more touchy pictures no. It's all part of the sworn affidavit.
Manufacture camera no proper.
All the demolition, bare land, more demolition. Say almost 30 AC new buildings fast.
Or the Bayer estate no $100.
And
that's it.
Omo pay direction. One say opposite American embassy. Just right opposite American embassy. Into prime land. There be American embassy war, French embassy war.
And see another one here.
I mean, into state capture.
New buildings. So you already say no. Ya bubu judges and they not to go and yes for. Hey. Young Cosway.
And you when you say Ghana Prison Service, almost like a court. Say, Omasa say a Roman Rich, maybe a Boston Institute, Colabonis prison. Obisi, a Yanedia, Sani Pano, a friend of Professor Piedu, our senior advisor to Vice President Bawumia. Until they are in court. Wakwaku Bubu Omo fence. Or say a Yanedia. Prison Service. If we put Ghana first, and MPP and NDC, because labor leaders on issue statements, nobody can convince me say, to Obama NDC, and now to my MPP, and PNC, and CPP. they have their various partisan interests. But to say no, Obia say your minor or minor interests and yeah targeting. And me per se me celebrate Ghana for na me salute Ghanaian workers. Na men kaima I mean kama Obia tia say say yenina ye adopted this approach. If we come together on the important issues, bako, united, and we just suspend all this way from me chrome, way from me party, and we just look at the national interest. Look, the politicians will remember say, true power belongs to the people. It doesn't belong to those in power. It belongs to the people. Okay, your constitution at the 1992 constitution, sovereignty resides in the people. The people, no, the masses, when we come together, no army, no police, no fire service, no prison service, nobody can stop us. This must be the model. This must be the approach. There are some major issues, and on mind because here we have no sacred cows, no national interests. Bibiana ya man yosem, bibiana ya divide ya ho. All these artificial divisions, all these artificial boundaries, let us know when to put them aside, to suspend them. And me perceive me salute Ubia and the labor unions, Ubia across the spectrum, whether omo professors or more school dao or more jomo, no matter who you are, we are united. Say Ghana for assets way and worker contributions. And I see La Badi Beach Hotel, Yenina Yesika. La Palm Royal, Yenina Yesika. Ridge Royal Hotel, Walk Cape Coast, Yenina Yesika. Elmina Beach Resort, Yenina Yesika. Buzia Beach, Yenina Yesika. Trust Lodge. 6 hotels where no Yesika and ADC. Into Banisana. Hotels are yadi yesika esi say ye call retirement na ye nya mfaso na profit na ebeba no na ye de atia ye pensions ebanisana suddenly mo say enye ma ye nyina nanso eye ma nipa bako. How do you explain that? How do you explain that? Say hotels no the hotels OTS need for now say hotels no pro say yo mfaso bia ni ho nanso mo aban mo yamamu to me say mon protecting assets no say bebe ato sinkra na mon dane no mon famu nimdie na mon transforming assets no. You are boldly holding press conference say oh you're failure, you're incompetent, hotels are making losses, then you resign. Ghana the only country leaders can hold press conference say oh assets na mudia mayen say yansha so mamono oh enye you spending 200 million cedis so far, no dividends, sikabia free moemba ente jisa yeton. Meanwhile nipa na all ton so onimo ewa aban mu ente question na say yenyina ye bisa de say ebanisana Osi Honorable Acheampong eba hotels are owo nimdie pa adentina owo cabinet ho owo aban ni mo ebia onye NDC bi nimbia na position ni onka aban owo aban ni mo key member cabinet minister sa nimdie na owo no adentina onfa nimdie no emboa ye nyina jese ye tonma no ebe ye ni private property and sana or this nimdie. Is that patriotism? Is that love for country? That is the crux of the matter. And to the genesis.
So before we are back to the genesis, so how do you feel? Say, course, who pursuing for the interest of Ghana. Now, why I say where do cocots? How do you feel?
To be honest with you, sometimes I am frustrating because court cases no be to say kusibuating court cases ne say on non kasa on back court. Now so they be na make court. Now as I me court parliament, as I me come constituency, me share spillage victims, me ba parliament, bisa questions. Now it's getting in the way. Now so or no they ma court cooling off somewhere on back, and he keeps losing or losing and now file appeal or losing and now file appeal. The whole thing is let's frustrate him, let's keep him busy, and na ya intimidating no na hopefully no na asemboni na air cost no na wajaika. That is the whole strategy. Osha Freddie Blaze, so threats upon threats upon threats. Meanwhile, in some media to you no cre no crese mwako tam Labadi Beach Hotel for Omu Beach Front. Mwafa musi mudia no cre no crese muso muputi bid to purchase this hotel. Minka sembia macho antro edia to obeso. I won't do that because my name say Ukraine. The Ghanaian constitution. If you, as a member of parliament, you misconduct yourself, if there is an adverse finding against you by a court and any committee of competent jurisdiction, you can lose your position. And me losing my position based on say have gone to engage in bad conduct.
You will give away and some of your MP for North Lawn, some of your stick captures, snake hotels, and some parks and gardens, and private developers. 1 year, Bansasia, 1 year, 1 hour, 1 year. And who some like some of the people to be any threat I want to know what that is actually done for. Because GCB so and our heaven was say, we are subscribe. More than I say, over subscribe now, one like it. Now, if you want to watch the video, I'm a Ofofosu NB Ashe. Also, with me actually, one year for a year, so we will comment box in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.